beautiful images to create stories to build a YouTube channel, or use them to create logos. All the pictures are very impressive. This tool will help you. You can make pictures that are very vivid, like the ones on this screen, with a very high level of realism. So far I have seen, this is one of the tools that create the easiest to use image. Today, Petter AI will introduce and guide details for you, how you can use this tool. It's called Leonardo AI. This tool's registration link, I will put it in the video description so that you can get started. To create an account, I will guide you from the beginning. Now, open a new browser. I will tell you how to register to use it. The first, you can access this link, Leonardo AI. You click this button to sign up. And here you can sign up by email, or access it with your Google account. I'll use my Google account. This will be the interface that you're looking at. Be accessible to use the Leonardo AI tool. With this tool, it gives you 150 free tokens per day. Every day, this tool will automatically reset it for you. That's 150 tokens a day. When you create images or use the other operations on this tool, it subtracts the corresponding tokens. Now, I will introduce you the main features of this tool. First, its main features: make pictures with your prompts. You can see it's in the home page. When you pull down, it's got a lot of different kinds of images. On this tool, it's arranged a menu for you, corresponding to the image formats that you can create. You click on this photography. That's the images like a real photograph. It is like pictures taken by a camera. It's very lifelike. That is, it's a kind of lifelike image, or pictures of animals, anime photos. That animals, as you can see, it's probably animated. The forms are kind of like real photos. This is anime, kind of like a comic book. You can come in here, for those of you who like to do manga. If you want to make a book, you can also use this, or architecture. You can use this tool in the case of eyes that are designing architectures, for creating images of the house, or castles. It's very beautiful. Or about different characters in those legendary movies. Conan or the werewolf. There are a lot of characters that you create yourself, or the food. These are the menus, so that you can quickly find out the image types. When you want to create some kind of image, here, you're going to use these collections. It's a sample model for you. For example, I am going to go into the photographic. Its images are pictures about the people. The pictures are like photographs. Then I will open. Let's take a look at any picture. For example, here I am watching a picture of capybara. If you want to create an image similar to this, so when you click on this image, it's going to be a model prompt here for you. This is a sample prompt and it will tell you what using it from which prompt. It's Leonardo Lighting LX. When you want to create that image, you can base yourself on these models. You can copy this prompt. Then if you want to use this effect as well, you will click on Generate with this model. Meaning similar in color and background. In this prompt section, you'll paste the prompt I just copied into there. If you want to create such an image, edit the character's name. You want to create an image of a lion, different something, for example, it's like a portrait of a lion. Let's say we replace this capybara, become a lion. And the lion walks in this position, for example. However, sometimes, when I'm changing a capybara into a lion, I heard it describe a little differently, a little, but I will make a demo for you. I'm going to use this prompt. How to make an image of it. I will change the place where it says capybara to lion. After done, this command will cost 14 tokens. I have 150 free tokens per day. It's going to subtract 14 tokens. When I click Generate, before I click on the Generate, I'll show you a few more settings. The first, to make pictures, choose a model with presets name. It will default select for you. On menu, preset style. You can choose formats like dynamic, 3D render, bokeh, cinematic, or dynamic, fashion. It's that kind of context. To make it clear, the authenticity of that image, then you can choose here. With menu, contrast is the light part. You can set the light to low or medium. I'll choose medium here. Generation mode. With free account, you can only choose the default. An upgrade account, you can choose higher image quality ones. Mode. It'll be sharper and the image will be more realistic. And here is image dimensions. You choose 1:1 or 16:9. Picture quality. Only the paid account has the advanced photo version. The free will only be available at medium images. The average is about 1376 and 768, but not 1080 HD, number of images. When you buy the paid account, it will be okay. You can choose the number of images. The free default is 4 images, because, when there is a paid package, you can choose one or many images. And here are the advanced features. For example, negative prompt. It means that if you don't want any of these factors appeared in this frame, you turn it on. You can fill in the negative here. For example, ugly, blur. Then you can fill it out. Use fixed seed. It's a consistent character feature. If you want to create a comic book, and you want your character to go through it all, then you can put the code for that character with a name in order. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the next time prompt. You can also fill out this fix sheet for the same. Let the consistent character. So now I'm going to click on the generate. After done. How will it get the picture? This will be the lion image created. This tool has created for me that also looks very. You can click on this to see. It's beautiful, isn't it? It looks very much like this. Well, that's the first feature, which is the imaging feature. You can make it from existing models. Or you can go directly with the prompt. You click on this icon. It will go to the home page, and you choose the image creation. It's in the center page. Or it's on the menu on the left. If you click here, it's all corresponding to the same. We'll paste the prompt to create the image. I will show you how to create a consistent character. In this tool, you want to create an image of a 12-year-old boy with blonde hair and blue eyes, wearing shorts and a t-shirt, walking in a forest. Wear these shorts. In the advanced settings, I will put a code to let it identify this character. For the character of this boy, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. I will press generate. It's going to subtract another 14 tokens. As you can see, here's a picture of the boy I just used Leonardo AI to create. So now, the next example, I'm talking about this boy walking in the woods. I still want that the second prompt's going to make this boy. But this guy will take suddenly a giant tiger. I will keep this fixed seed. I will continue to press on generate, and then you can see that when you create such a consistent character, this face of this boy doesn't change. It's still like this. Every time it's going to make 4 images. There are 4 pictures, for example here, this original one. As you can see, this boy's shirt is blue, this blue, right? That's it. And this second prompt, it's made 4 images, so here's what we see. It will be one that looks like, more like this, meet a tiger. It'll still be this shirt. Now, I'll show you a few more features in Leonardo. First, it's going to have the feature of increasing quality image when you like an image. So, you're going to click on that image. On this one it will have the upscale image feature. That means, you'll be able to upgrade the image quality. The 4K quality or 1080 HD quality. You'll need to pay. Then you can use it. We'll click on this upscale image. Then it will come out, but this one will need to unlock this advanced feature. Then it can upscale. The second feature is the one that deletes the background. For example, for this image, The boy with the tiger, right? If you want to delete the background, here, I'll click on this remove background. To remove this background, I'll click here and see it is working. Like this, that's the background removal feature on this tool. Then I'll introduce a few more features. In Leonardo AI, I'll go back to the home page. The first is motion. Motion is a feature that you can animate the image. For example, it's a picture of a boy walking in the woods. He met the tiger. Then you can completely create the movement for it. But this is also a feature that elevates. You need to upgrade to be able to can move. Now, you're going to select these images. In this part, it will be the video duration by minutes. I'm usually going to have videos. I will let it be 5. To do that, you're going to click on this. It will need to be upgraded here. Then it can be used. Next feature, that's the real-time canvas. With this feature, it will allow you to create the images on your hand painting idea. For example, now you draw a dog. You can just do it up here. You press this draw. I'm going to draw 2 eyes. Next, draw the nose. I continue to draw the face. That's the ear. It'll figure it out for you. But here you'll see that it just shows what it doesn't look like. Right. I want to draw a dog, but it creates something for itself. I don't know. I have a way that I'll paste into the prompt. I'm talking about the dog. Then Leonardo AI will understand that I'm drawing a dog. And you want to add the context in the image. Can you add context to what it is doing? Where it's playing, for example, in the garden. In the garden. This is one way. This real-time feature will work. That is, we will get creative on the drawing here. When you choose to be more creative, then you pull it back here. Is that it's going to be quite creative the higher that is. It's even more creative than the picture you painted. And if you pull back here, it looks more like you're drawing. But here, you should choose the one near the highest. Here's the filter. If you want to select let it look like a movie, you have to choose this cinematic. Or the picture, you choose painting. This is a lot of things for you to choose. Or you want to be like the real photo, you choose photography. If you like it, click on download. Let you download it. In the arrow here, that's the real-time canvas feature. Then next, this is the canvas editor. This feature will allow you to edit the image that you've created. For example, when you create an image with Leonardo AI, you want to edit a few details. Then you go to this feature. You'll choose the image. It will allow you to upload photos from your computer, or the image that you've just created on this tool. Go to your generate. For example, in this picture, do you want to change a detail? This boy, for example. Then we will choose the size. Choose the size and zoom in. Zoom the image so it fits. Then you'll choose the draw mask icon. This format's like painting. You're going to circle the area where you want to modify. Let's say you want to fix this shirt. Well, you will when you apply it. And then you're going to stick it in this prompt. In this prompt I will write this change the color in black. And then I press generate. It will give me 4 images. Let me find out which version is suitable. This blue shirt, this red shirt. You see, it's also changed to a little more color. But it's not very similar. I like this very much. It can also change here. Then that's the feature. In the next part, I will guide you how you can create a prompt on ChatGPT. When you want to create a scene, you can go to ChatGPT and might as well give a command. Let's help me create a prompt, for example. Create a prompt to draw the photo of a girl reading a book on Leonardo AI. That's an example. When you can put a more specific content, You need to add some more informations what you want. Let's copy this prompt and paste Leonardo AI. You can choose the model you like as Leonardo Lightning XL. And you can add the advanced setting. Finally, choose Generate for creating the image. Follow the command of the ChatGPT. It's made a picture of a girl. This includes the environment around and light. It also looks beautiful and natural. It's going to make 4 images. You can choose which image you like best. It's beautiful, isn't it? And those are the most detailed instructions, so that you can use it. Leonardo.ai tool. And this is one of the tools that makes images. Very easy to use. It's like making pictures. It is so beautiful and authentic. You can refer to its library repositories to get more ideas. Easier. In the process where you describe the commands. Here's an example. These images of people are all created with AI, but it looks very real. It's going to have these prompts and negative prompt. These are the things that don't want to appear in pictures. For example, you don't want to appear in the image as text, this logo, or a blurry background. You can look at these parameters so that we can. There's more of an idea, and there's a model prompt, so that you can create similar images. The checkbox and the tool registration link. I will put it under the video description, so that you can easily access and experience this tool. And if you think this video is good, don't forget to like as well as subscribe Peta AI to support.